look for today. Nandito tayo sa Old Town. Dito hahanapin ko ang Philippine store dito. Ayan ang station behind that on the side behind that bus. Ayan guys, nakita ko rin ang Philippine store dito for the first time. Ito bangko to. For the first time akong makapunta dito sa Philippine store. Ayan. Bukas ba sila? Oo, bukas. Pasukin natin. Para mukhang bata uli ba? Well, kahit may edad na tayo, kailangan hindi nating ibabagay ang ating sarili sa ating edad. So, we need to do something that we can still be good looking. Fast months I've been stressed guys and I catch cold, so nagpahinga ako ng 2 months and ngayon lang ako uli bumubuti. I have a very severe cough and cold. My nose is watery really, and I already consumed 2 boxes of tissue paper and I just got better now, and hopefully I have to be careful, and hopefully this will continue, and I have to be careful because the weather here is very hot. So when my car broke, I had to catch bus and I have to walk to the bus station, and in the hot summer time, so I need to walk to the bus station, and then when you catch the bus it's very cold aircon, and then hop up the bus hot again, and then enter the mall supermarket very cold. So I think my immune system down, so that's why it's easy for me to catch cold, and that's why I have 2 months rest from January after the New Year. After the New Year and my birthday, I've been sick as well. So all I need to do is rest. Yeah, the hot summer. If you will not be careful, we don't want to catch pneumonia or bronchitis. Well, I will get near there because if I did not stop and rest, probably I catch pneumonia like is that Barbie, that the one who went in Japan and died because of pneumonia. So we have to be careful of sweat at our back. There in Philippines, I sweat a lot when I'm cleaning for 20 days since I arrived November 28. since November 28 till December 20 that it's finished my general cleaning there. Look guys, I can't stay to the place that I'm afraid that who clean because I don't think I can trust their cleaning than my cleaning. So general cleaning for 20 days. Is that 20 days or 20? Because from 28, yeah, I think November 28 and 20, so about 20 days included fixing my car. So I just get better now. It's nearly March, and I'll see you again later. I have to go to my online course. I'm nearly there to finish, and I love my hair. I color it. See that? And I'll see you again later, guys. Hello guys, and I have this classic tea from Cha, Little Cha. Ayan guys, nalinis ko na rin siya. Binleach ko yan at sinabon. We have frappe dessert, coffee, milkshake, and we have pancake, espresso coffee, and the dessert, mother and daughters. Nilinis ko siya guys kasi kauuwi ko lang. We have plants there. I put some table and chair in here. Table chair in here. So nilinis ko, nag-set ako ng mga table and chair dito. Ayan, with umbrella. Nilinis ko itong front garden, so I am able to have espresso. Ayan, nilinis ko pa siya dito, so I have an angel here too. Frangipani there, and the rose is there. We have the umbrella setting, table setting here too, and table setting here. So konting kembot pa, gaganda na rin to. Setting in there, table setting in there, table and chair there, this and that. Shade din dito, shade din doon. Grabe ang summer init dito. Yan ang kanyang yung aking boat trailer ay nandyan. Ito ang bulaklak. Ito ang grabe ang tindi ng araw, di ba? Kita nyo? Ito yung frangipani. Summer. Ito ang another table dito. Ilagyan ko siya ng succulent plants. Dito ganun din, nilagyan ko rin siya ng succulent plants. Ito, lagay ko. Ayun yung boat trailer ko yun. Ito, dito ko na nga lang ito ilagay. Maririnig mo ang aking aircon sa tindi ng init dito. Ayan, ang aking window aircon. Ayan, nag-window aircon po. Grabe, ang tindi ng init. Nag-drive ako. Pag-uwi ko, basang-basaw ako ng pawis, guys. Ay, naku, day. Okay. Ayan na guys. Start na ng decorating ng garden para sa aking mother and daughter's cafe band. So, little by little, i-decorate na ang garden para maging more comfortable sa people na gustong umupo at kumain o uminom. So, the next project I am planning is in here. I can see here in this shop.
She is my safe place and all I want to be. And I hope one day my daughter will want to be like me, 'cause mothers and
Ayan guys, nalinis ko na rin siya. Binleach ko yan at sinabon. We have frappe dessert, coffee, milkshake, and we have pancake, espresso coffee, and the dessert of mother and daughters. Nilinis ko siya guys kasi kauuwi ko lang. We have plants there. put some table and chair in here. Table chair in here. So nilinis ko, nagset ako ng mga table and chair dito. Ayan, with umbrella. Nilinis ko itong front garden, so I am able to have espresso. Ayan, nililinis ko pa siya rito. So I have an angel here too. Oh, si Angel. We have the umbrella here. And the rose already, because it's summertime, it's blooming, the rose here. You can see we have frangipani there, and the rose is there. We have the umbrella setting, table setting here too, and table setting here. So konting kembot pa, gaganda na rin to. Table setting in there. Table setting in there. I put table and chair there. And this. And that.